Welcome to the YouTube channel PCMB tutorials. Today we are going to do some revision questions of chemistry based on previous chapter, which is ABC of chemistry and periodic classification. So we are going to learn the chapters. So let us start from question number 1. It is objective type. 1 to 10 questions are objective types. Find ABC in the formula. Chemical formula is given and molecular weight are given. CaCO3 molecular weight is X. Then molecular weight is given 74 and chemical formula is Y, and molecular weight is given 98 and chemical formula is Z. So ABC is what? Answer is ABC is equal to 100 Ca in bracket OH2 molecule H2SO4. Then we have to identify element 1, 2 and 3. So first is potassium nitrite and it is KNO2. KNO2. Then it is Ca3 in bracket PO4 molecule 2 and it is calcium phosphate. Then there is chromic bicarbonate and it is Cr in bracket HCO3 3 molecule. Question 3 is find the oxidation number of sulfur in Na2S4O6. So the oxidation number will be plus 5/2. Question 4 is the decreasing order of the size of ions is. So answer is anion is greater than parent neutral atom and parent neutral atom is greater than cation. This we have learned in our chapter. Then fifth question is the element with atomic number 27 is placed in which group? Atomic number is given 27. We know that to find the group, the number of electronic configurations last digit, last shell number will be the group number. So this is 2, 8, 8, 9. So 9 is the last shell number. That is why the answer is 9. Question 6 is The number of elements in sixth period of periodic table is, it is 32. Many students can write 18 because of the number because of the elements in that row, but we have to include lanthanides also, so that is why the answer is 32. Question 7 is the electronic configuration of four elements, that is 2, 8, 2. Option number 2, 2, 8, 1. Option number 3, 2, 8, 8, 2. And option number 4, 2, 8, 8, 1. Find the element which with the highest metallic character. So answer is option number 4, 2, 8, 8, 1. That is potassium. Question 8 is find the oxidation number of oxygen and sulfur in compound H2SO4. So oxidation number of them are -2 and -2 and +6. Ninth question is which of the following statement is not true for oxidation number? Option number 1, it is associated with sign. Option number 2 tells us about relative electronegativity. Option number 3 is always whole number. Option number 4, it may be zero, whole number or a fractional number. So correct answer is option number 3, is always whole number. So now the last objective type, question number 10 is the empirical formula of benzene is. So answer is option number 3, CH. Option 1 was C6H6. Option 2 was C6H12. Option 3 is CH. Option 4 is C2H2. Now these all were the subjective type questions. Now let us move towards the these all were the objective types. Now let us move towards the subjective types. Question number 11. Name the following. First, lanthanide contains 14 elements from. So answer is 58 to 71 or cesium to lutetium. Second question is the lightest metal in the periodic table is. So answer is lithium. Third is sixth element of first transition series is. So the answer is iron, Fe. Fourth one is first element of actinide series is. So the answer is TH. TH is the symbol and the element is thorium. Fifth is the valency of plumbate ion is. So answer is +2. Now question 12. Give reasons. This I am not going to write on board, but I think it will be okay if I say it out loud. So question 12 is give reason. As we move, first one, as we move left to right in period, atomic size decreases. Answer is because the nuclear charge increases as the atomic number rises, which makes the atom more compact. Second is which is more basic, K2O or Na2O? Answer is in comparison to Na2O, it becomes easier for K2O to lose a pair of electrons in view of larger atomic radius of K, and thus K2O is a stronger base. Third is which is more acidic, N2O5 or P2O5? Answer is among these given options, N2O5 is the most acidic oxide because of its electronegativity. Nitrogen has a higher electronegativity than phosphorus, antimony, and arsenic. Hence, it can attract electrons more strongly and easily donate protons. Then 13th questions are more interesting based on the chapter of ABC of chemistry, the methods of separation. First is charcoal and niter. First is, let me tell the question. The question is, define the method of separation of the following mixtures. And first is charcoal and niter. I'll write the method of separation and I'll say the definition out loud. So this method of separation is solvent, extraction, second is potassium chloride and potassium chlorate. Potassium chloride and potassium chlorate. Fourth one is So this method is potassium chloride and potassium chlorate is the method of fractional crystallization. Crystallization. Third one is sodium sulfate and benzoic acid. Sodium sulfate and benzoic acid. This is the method of sublimation. fourth is benzene and water. And the method is separating funnel. Fifth is methyl alcohol and ethyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol, and ethyl alcohol, and the method is fractional distillation. Now let us see their definitions. First is charcoal and niter. Solvent extraction. The method of separation of one insoluble solid from a soluble solid by using a particular liquid is known as solvent extraction. Second is potassium chloride and potassium chlorate. It is fractional crystallization. The method of separation of one soluble solid from another soluble solid with widely different solubilities in a particular liquid. Third is sublimation of sodium sulfate and benzoic acid. Sublimation. The method of separation of components from a mixture if one of the solids is sublimable is called sublimation. Fourth is separating funnel method of benzene and water. The separation of two liquids which do not mix with each other and are of different densities is done through a separating funnel. Fifth is methyl alcohol and ethyl alcohol. The method is fractional distillation. The method of separation of two miscible liquids. Miscible liquids means liquids which mix. By the process of distillation, making the use of their difference in boiling points is called fractional distillation. I hope you've understood these questions. Next question is question 14 is name the following compounds which is Fe2O3. Fe2O3 is ferric oxide. Ferric oxide. Second is CaNO3 which is calcium nitrate. Calcium nitrate. Third is KHCO3. KHCO3 which is potassium bicarbonate. Potassium bicarbonate. Fourth one is Na2SO3, which is sodium sulfite. Sodium sulfite. Question number 15 is first assign chemical formula for the following compounds, and first is calcium sulfite. Calcium sulfite CaSO3. Second is potassium phosphate. It is K3PO4. Third is sodium chlorate, NaClO3. Fourth is sodium hypobromite. Sodium hypobromite, which is NaBrO. Now question 16 is find the oxidation number of Cr in Na2Cr2O7. So we have to find oxidation number of Cr, and let us take it as X. So Na, it is given as 2 into Na is minus 1, sorry, plus 1, plus Cr2 which we have assumed X, plus 7 into minus 2. Oxygen is minus 2. Then 2 plus X. This will be equal to 0 every time. And from here X will be equal to 12. So X is Cr2 equal to 12. So Cr will be 6. This is the answer. Oxidation number of chromium is 6. Next question is the molecular formula of a compound is expressed in the form CnH2n plus 2. If molecular weight of compound is 86, find empirical formula and molecular formula of the compound. So, the molecular weight of the compound is 86. So, Cn plus H2n plus 2 is equal to 86. Molecular formula means we will have 12 into n plus this one 1 into 2n plus 2 equal to 86. 12n plus 2n plus 2 is equal to 86. 14n is equal to 84. This 2 will get transposed. 86 minus 2 is 84. So n will be equal to 84 by 14. And 14 ones are 14, 6 are 84. N is equal to 6. Now if we will put the formula by this molecular weight, the molecular formula of this will be C6H 2n plus 2 means 2 into 6 plus 2, that is 14. So C6H14 is molecular formula. Empirical formula means the simplest ratio. It will be C3H7. This is the answer. Next is question number 18 is balance the given chemical reaction by partial equation method. The action of chlorine on cold sodium hydroxide solution results in the formation of sodium hypochlorite. So balancing the equation by partial method. This question is related to again ABC of chemistry. It is Cl2 plus H2O gives HCl plus HClO. HCl plus NaOH gives NaCl plus H2O. HClO plus NaOH gives NaClO plus H2O. So let us move forward. At final answer we will get the partial equation method's answer. Cl2 plus 2NaOH gives NaCl plus NaClO plus H2O, and this is the answer. I hope you've understood this. The last question is explain the modern periodic table in detail. So the answer is periodic table explanation. This classification was given by Mosley. There are 16 groups under the headings 1A, 7A, 0, 1B, 7B and 8. There are 7 periods. First period is called the shortest period. Second period is called the odd period. Third period is called the typical elements period. Fourth and fifth period is the normal period. Sixth and seventh period is called the longest period. Group number 1A is called as alkali metals. Second A is called as alkaline earth metals. Third A is called as boron family. Fourth A is called as carbon family. Fifth A is called as picogens, which is suffocative. Sixth is called as chalcogens, which is ore forming. And seventh is called as halogen, salt formation. Zero group are called as rare gases, inert gases, noble gases. Eighth or 8th B group are called iron triad or ferrous metals, platinum triads or platinum metals. 1B group elements are called as coinage metals. I hope you've understood the revision questions 2 of chemistry. For any queries and doubt, please join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. We've covered the first revision questions of chemistry of 9th class. Please go and check through it in our channel. I hope you've understood. For any queries and doubt, please join the Telegram link given in the description of this video. Like, this is the foundation of class 9th. We have covered the foundation of class 8th and 7th too. The links are given in the description. Please go and check through it. Thank you for watching.